Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Now this is a trending song, Bam Bam, by a little girl. It was a little girl that sang this song. Like, I had to watch this video over and over and over and over and over again. Like, you don't get what I want to. I said, once you get videos like this, they boss man. Yo guys, welcome to this dance tutorial. You will love the dance. I think it's a choreography too. Yeah, if you want to work out, do some little workout. Yeah. You can just, we're dancing Bam Bam by a little girl. I don't know if it's a Jamaican tutorial. Yes, we're doing it. I love it. Some people are saying the ladies dance, some people are saying it's both. So I take it as both. Let's do it. So in case you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Like this video and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Comment in the comment section. And let's dive right into the first step. This video is mirrored. Now let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. First step is you cross your leg. Then you start to do like this and like this. Are you seeing that? So it's one thing, one. Are you seeing it? So it's one thing. One facing down, then facing up. So it's one thing. 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess in it. Let's go 5, 6, 7. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess in it. 5, 6, 7. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's one thing, galam padam. I cannot speak Jamaican, but let us dive into the flow. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the first step, guys. Just go 1, 2, 1, 2. So once you're done with that step, next thing we'll do is to cross your leg, then start the clapping. 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. Then I have done this 1, 2, 1, 2. Your next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. I see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start on the ground. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go and start together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. One thing. I see, guys. It's very easy. It's just your legs. So you're walking with your legs and a little bit of clapping together. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Yeah, I think choreography will be good. I'll make more research on that style of content, choreography. Let's see how it goes. Let's go 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Clap, 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 clap. 4 times. Yeah, the clap is 4 times. So in case you're not subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe down below for me? Yeah, subscribe down below. So let's go the clap one more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we do 4 claps, next we do is to do the Indian twist. 1, 2, 1, 2. My hands have been, I see my hands, guys. So it's rotating like this. Whilst you are turning back. So it's 1, 2. Your hands will be up whilst you're turning back. Then once you are back, your hands will be down, twisting 2 times. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. I see that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Whilst you are turning. So let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 thing, and up, 1 thing, When you can have 1 thing, listen, guys. Once I get to these 2 steps, 1, 2, 1, 2. The next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. So after I have done 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 thing, Jesus, I want to fall. No, let's go. 1 thing, Please, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you do your side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7. I will not be turning back for you guys so you guys can get the full dance. If you want to turn back, you just turn back and you mimic the step. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, guys. So once I've gotten that step, once I've gotten the 1, 2, 3, 4. You do the Indian dance. The Indian. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. And you post like this. You do your hands like this and like this. Let me show you guys. Come forward. Do your hands like this. So you do like this, and do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 times. So let me everything up to you now so you can get the concept. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, padam, padam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing guys. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm doing it 4 times. Basically 4 times, guys. 4 times. Let's go 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You getting me, guys? So if you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video. Share to your friends and family, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Now after I have done this India step, 1, 2, you turn back to the front. 1, 2, 3. When I do 1, 2, 1, 1. Just 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Let's go, we start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Last dance is waist. That's doing your hips, but I ain't doing no hip dance. So again, let the hip dance. Just let me know in the comment section. I'm doing hip dance for you guys. Let's have that from the start one more time. For those of you that are catching up. For those of you that are catching me up, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, 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 clap. Twist, twist, turn, turn. Left, right, left, right. India dance, India dance. Turn, 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 turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me start one more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, king, banana, banana. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Basically, guys, that's the dance tutorial for this choreography. Training bang bang by a girl in Jamaica. And I love that girl song. Yeah, I love the song. So in case you watch the video up to the end, do the dance. I think should I add choreography to my channel? Like dance choreography, you'll be dancing. That kind of vibe. You guys will upload the dance choreography. I'm doing like every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, something like that. Is it Monday? Or let's say Sundays, Wednesdays, no, and Saturday. Yeah, Saturday and Sunday is close by, so let's call it Monday. Yeah, let's make it Monday. I think if you like that kind of thing, just let me know in the comment section. So to comment and watch the video up to the end on this video and comment your name so that I can be able to give you a shout out too. So guys, don't forget to watch the videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.